You guys are watching Kit Explores. Whoa, what are we doing today? Having adventures on the canoe. We'd love for you to come and join us. Let's go. Hey kids.
Hi.
It's me, Kit the Explorer.
And me, Miles.
Miles and I are out here in, well, what are we in?
Nature.
Nature. Can you say that word? Nature.
Nature.
Yeah, you can put your finger on your nose because that's where the N sound comes from. Nature. Nature is kind of everything that's around us. The trees, oceans, rivers, plants, animals. That's all part of nature. And today, what are we gonna do?
Go on a river.
We're gonna go on a nature river canoe ride. Should we go explore a canoe?
Yes.
Miles has his binoculars to see what kind of wildlife and nature he can see from the canoe. And we've got our life jackets on to be safe in case we fall into the water. Splash! Come here, I'll show you how we put on a life jacket and why it's important. Life jackets have foam inside of them that floats. So that way if you fall in the water, you don't sink. We're gonna put this on, and it's kind of like a coat without arms. We buckle it up on the top twice, and then we're gonna buckle it up right here, and that's gonna keep that nice and tight on Miles. I'm gonna do the same with mine. So now that we've got our life jackets on, we're gonna head down to the river, hop in the canoe, and see what kind of wildlife we can find. You wanna come with us, kids?
Come on, kid.
Come on, kids, let's go!
Let's run, Miles. Run, run. Do a little flip. Will you do a flip with me? Run, do a little flip. Do a zigzag. Zig, zigzag, zig, zigzag. Zig, zigzag, zig, zigzag. Zig, zigzag, zig, zigzag. We're gonna zigzag down to the river. Whee!
Whoa, these are boats. There are so many boats here. What colors can you see? Green and red and silver. These boats are a special kind of boat called canoes. And did you know that the first canoes were made by the Native Americans? Native Americans were people that lived here in the United States before we built cities and before you or me lived here. And they would carve their canoes out of wood, and it would help them travel up and down the river.
You're going to grab a ball and put it in water.
That's right. But if we get the boat in the water, how are we going to get around? Well, there's some paddles over there. We're going to canoe around with these paddles. Whoa! This has Kit Explorer colors on it, yellow and blue. The way you hold a canoe paddle is one hand right here down by the paddle and the other hand on top so that you can pull yourself through the water in your canoe. Now it's time to pick out our canoe and go on the river. What do you think?
It sounds good to me.
But I see a problem. You kids at home aren't wearing your life jacket. Let me pick one out for you. Look at all these life jackets we could choose from. Let's see. I think this one looks like it might fit you. Can I put it on you? Miles has his paddle. You've got your life jackets on. I've got my life jacket on. Miles has his. We have our paddles. And now it's time to pick a canoe. Which color do you think we should get? Let's pick that one, the red one. The next thing is we need to drag it down to the water and hop in. I'm gonna set my paddle down because this part's really hard. The canoes are really heavy, and you've got to be big and strong in order to move these canoes. And one of the best ways to get big and strong is by taking care of your body, exercising a lot, and eating healthy foods. Okay, now that our canoe is there on the dock, we're gonna grab our oars. I'm gonna help you and Miles hop in the boat, and we're gonna go explore. Can you grab your oar? There you go. Into the canoe. Boink! And look, there's a little seat behind you. Right now, our boat is tied up at the dock, so I'm gonna untie it, and then I'm gonna hop in, and we're gonna take off. Ooh, you see that? Nice and gentle. Now, here we go. Let's go down the river and see what we can see. You be careful, Miles. Here we go, explorers. Are you ready? I wonder what we'll see. Miles, get your binoculars out so you can look around. Canoes aren't the speediest boats, but they're pretty quiet. There's no engine on this. It's entirely moved forward by me paddling it. Wow, it's so peaceful and nice out here. Can you see fish in the water?
Hey, where my fish fillet at? Just keep swimming, just keep swimming.
What about on the riverbanks? Can you see bears?
Boo. Oh, Kid Explorers is on. Oh.
Whoa, did you see those two dragonflies fly by?
Yes, I do see some ducks.
Do you see the ducks that are on the river? Hi, duckies. Hey kids, do you remember how to tell if a duck is a boy duck or a girl duck? The boy ducks have really brightly colored feathers, and the girl ducks have brown and less colored feathers. That's the easiest way to tell them apart.
Yeah, that's right. I'm a boy duck. I got some bright colors. Hello, ladies.
I see beaver.
Damn, that's right. I'm a busy beaver. Gotta put that cross-plane crankshaft across my beaver dam and...
Beavers use their teeth to chop down trees to build their homes with.
That's right. I'm nature's contractor. I love to chop down trees and build homes with it. You think your home's nice? You ought to see mine. All custom.
Oh, guess what? There are some kids on a rope swing jumping into the river. Whoa! That was a big splash.
Oh no, an alligator.
Who's disturbing my afternoon sunbathing?
An alligator? Oh my goodness, alligators! It sure was a fun day exploring the river on a canoe with Miles. Kids, this has been such a fun episode of Kit Explores. Miles and I are so glad that you joined us on our canoe adventure today, where we went up the river in a canoe and looked at all kinds of different animals. Parents, don't forget to follow us on Instagram @KitExplores and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational videos. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!